Marvin's here, helping you elevate digital tech and social media. I haven't been doing more of this content recently for like 8 months, but I'm back with fire. I'm going to be starting on my new episodes on live streaming, where we're going to be looking at how you can elevate your live streaming from beginner to intermediate to a professional live stream. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell button so that you can be the first person to view this video when it comes out. Where we're going to be looking at must-have information on live streaming. I'm going to be taking you through graphics, how you can design lower thirds, bumpers and openers, or thumbnails or posters and flyers, everything related to broadcast or live stream. The ideologies, the idea building, the concept building, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to be taking you through how you can do post-production of audio in a given DAW from your front of house to your streaming PC or to your streaming desk. I'm going to be taking you through video concepts, how you can identify the different cameras, the different cables needed for the different cameras, the different switches that you need to have in your live streaming setup. I'm going to be taking you through how you can integrate different graphic softwares like Pro Presenter, Proclaim to send both lyrics, scriptures, graphics, videos via a network, and how you can network your live streaming setup from beginner to intermediate to a professional live stream. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell button so that you can be the first person to view this video when it comes out.